Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you a German favorite snack named Fleischsalat that only takes 2 minutes to throw together. Fleischsalat is kind of a sandwich spread that consists of bologna, mayonnaise, onions and pickles. You can find it in any German supermarket and every German butcher has it too. Let me show you how fast you can make that dish. Mix the mayonnaise, sour cream, mustard and all the spices in a large bowl. Peel the onion and cut it in half, then slice finely. Drain the pickles and cut them into fine strips. Now you just need to cut the bologna in half and then into thin strips. This is, in my opinion, the fastest way. Some butchers or delis make Fleischsalat with ham instead of bologna. This is a great alternative if you look for a more delicate taste. Now you just need to mix everything well and marinate it for a couple of hours in the fridge. Serve with fresh bread or rolls. Guten Appetit!